Alright, I'm just gonna say to Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, I'm warning you, you know, you should not say bad words in Instagram. Because, everyone will hate you. Oh, I'm saying to you, Mark Cruz, after I reprimand teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, after I reprimand Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Sejo, and Gima Casandil, even teacher May Tiburcio as well. Mark Cruz, you need to stop with your foul languages. That's why you always got that in Team America World Police. And you're saying about, what does Mark Cruz says? Team America, fuck yeah, that's a word. I do not say bad words, because this guy is not really have manners. I'm telling you, he had no manners. This guy, he has no manners. Alright, he had no manners. He has no manners to everyone. And I'm telling you, Mark Cruz, Mark Cruz, with all due respect, you need to stop with your bad words. Everyone are saying bad words too. Oh, me, I limit my bad words about the lemon. She destroy, what's that? Lechon. Oh, it's just a dog. When I say a bad word. But for you, Mark Cruz, don't say bad words in social media. My dad scolded me when I called Nanay Ningning an asshole. All Germans are very stupid. Oh. And I know this is very insane, and I got felt ashamed. If I were you, Mark Cruz, here's the one thing I could say. You need to stop with your bad words. I'm telling you, if you're watching this, Christian Mengito, tell your friend Mark Cruz, if he has a teachings with Jesus, Jesus never say bad words. Oh, if you love Jesus, Mark Cruz, then you stop saying bad words. Stop saying about foul languages. Have you never known that Jesus is a Palestinian, Mark Cruz? And you're saying about bad words, even the Palestinians, even Hamas, even PFLP, even Hezbollah in Lebanon. What kind of person are you, Mark Cruz? Hezbollah are Shia Muslims. Hamas are Sunnis. Oh, what is wrong with you, Mark Cruz? Not even just that. You call you say a bad words at Ryan Chris Lucero. You saying about an F word. Even Jerick Silva. Oh, when you greeted him in happy birthday, you say a bad word. Mark Cruz, I'm telling you, your bad words, it's not good in social media like Instagram. Instagram and Facebook are meta. Oh, if you say bad words again, bad words many, many times, Mark Cruz, eh, however, all of your friends will unfollow you, even Nigel, even Franco Morales. Oh, Franco Morales is never say bad words. Oh, he never say bad words. Hindi yan nagmumura si Franco Morales. Even I do not say bad word. Or if you call me an asshole word, then I am warning you, Mark Cruz, you will have no friends. That's the reason you will have no friends. Your friends will hate you as well. You will be happen just like Shania Kiana. And I'm telling you, Mark Cruz, when you say bad words in social media, think what you're saying a bad words. And you don't know what is that bad word was, Mark Cruz? Even you saying about the word, what is that Marcos says, motherfucker words. Oh, Mark Cruz, you're very insane. You're saying about foul languages. I'm telling you, I'm calling out all the ASP. Unfollow this, the bad mouth Mark Cruz. If you say it's a bad word, he has no respect. If I were you, you need to stop saying bad words. Look at Bam Hernando. Oh, look at Manuel Luis Antonio. Oh, do they say bad words? No. Oh, they never say bad words. Even Jude Goles never say bad words. Oh, this is hard to say, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. You are in San Pedro Laguna. You are in attending in Sunday Mass. Whether you say a bad words, do not say bad words. I'm telling you, because when you say a bad word, Mark Cruz, there will be a consequence to you when you say a bad word. And don't say bad words anyway. You do not know what you're saying. I was told by Ronald Rebena, oh, even Kuya Dan Mardayaw and Cedric Mariano, they told me, Cedric Mariano and Ronald Rebena and even Dan Mardayaw, Kuya Danmar, and as well as the other friends there in Hans Inclusion, they are telling me that Mark Cruz has no manners. Just like I said, he has no manners. Napakabastos. Like I said, he say about bad words. Oh, I'm telling you, Hans Inclusion Philippines, Roydan Marlang, lecture your friend to stop saying bad words. Like me, I never say bad words too. Oh, I limit my bad words too, but I never say bad words in social media. Not say bad words, Mark Cruz. You know that. Even Rafa Soco unfollow you in Instagram because you're saying bad words. Oh, that is hard to say, Mark Cruz. Do not say bad words. For me, when I scolded by Teacher May, I was saying also a bad words. Oh, at Prince Gan, in Tagalog, PI word. Oh, you see, I got in trouble. Mark Cruz, if you don't want to get in trouble, then you need to stop saying bad words. If you love Jesus, when I was told by David Gill or Kuya Bear, then you need to stop saying bad words. Jesus doesn't like bad words. For me, Mark Cruz, if you believe in Jesus, you apologize to your own what you did. Even Ryan Chris Lucero. Apologize to Ryan Chris Lucero. You curse him a bad word.